Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by isolating the sound you will fix. Open your project, select the clip, then use extract audio or detach audio to separate the track from video. Once done, mute or remove the original clip audio so it won't interfere. Make sure the file is compatible. MP3 or WAV at 44. 1K HZ works best. If permission prompts appear, allow storage and microphone access so Capcut can import and export audio without errors. This prevents silent exports later. Now perform the actual repair inside Capcut. Use the trim and split tools to remove clicks or bad segments, and apply fade and slash out at edit points to prevent pops. Use the noise reduction or volume normalization controls to even levels and reduce hiss. Make incremental adjustments and preview. If the onboard tools can't fully restore clarity, export the isolated audio, process externally if needed, then re-import the corrected file and align it with the video precisely. Finish by aligning the repaired audio waveform to the video frame by frame and scrub several scenes to verify lip sync and transient accuracy. Export the project using 44. 1K HZ and a decent bitrate to preserve edits, then test playback on different devices. If you still hear dropouts or noise, try re-importing the original clip and repeating extract audio, or delete and re-add the audio track. Sometimes a fresh import clears hidden codec glitches. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.